welcome back to MIT Workshops, Day 2, Session 2. Here we want to recollect and refresh whatever we said yesterday, as well as we want to give additional information like it's how to store your data in a cloud, okay? And also we want to have how we can develop an application. So first of all, the students has to understand how the application has to be developed according to the customer needs, and also we have to think it over how it's a feasibility. This two part is an important one. Suppose I am a small grocer. I want to give an app so that the customers can send me message regarding what they want. So through SMS or sharing. Okay. Okay. So what are the things I need? I need a list view. So normally, so these data are stored in the clouds. We can get the data from the cloud. What are the products available? Right now, I didn't use it because of the too many things. Okay, you may not able to understand. I will share a AA file how we can lecture notes so that you can easily understand how we can store the data and retrieve from using a Firebase or some of the it's a modern spreadsheets available like it's a Airtable. Okay, so one more thing, we need a spinner to select some items, say rice, coffee, everything. These items can be included using a string in the design part, or I can right now included using dynamic also. Here we are using a string parts only. So all of them using some apps. So to add some items or it's a increase items. So I am using a button plus minus. Okay, to increase item or decrease items. I am going to add card. Likewise, I am going to share the videos. Share the screenshots so that you can easily understand. I already it's a login. I created this app. It's early morning. Okay. So this is a screen I am going to add. This is a screen view. I am going to have it's a screen. It's a Gmod store. It's a store name. So I am going to add some pictures in the background. I didn't add. You can do it. I can share that it's a AI file. So this is a label. So I am going to have the table arrangement. So it contains 6 rows, 1 columns, so that I can place it all the components. So first one is a label that has a product name. So you can click it. Okay. Next I am adding a spinner so that you can use the add items. So in design part, I can use it as string like it's items. This is the element. Suppose I see that this item rice, oil, coffee, and I can add some more elements also. Okay. So according to my needs, normally for its a dynamic its application, you are going to get it from the database. See here, I am going to use a plus for its adding item. So it's a text box that's going to get the input from the users. So I can use the plus minus to change the content from it's suppose 1 plus 1 2 or minus it. Suppose I am going to add. Okay, these add items are it's an order items. I am going to add it. Okay, I will show the block diagram so that you can easily understand. So I am using 2 different media components or it's a sharing components. So one is a sharing. So using the sharings, you can send the information to through Gmail, WhatsApp, whatever it's application you mobile. Other one I am going to use a send SMS using its a mobile number. You are going to say reset is going to be reset. So these are my it's a front end design. So first one is a product. I am going to use it's a spinner or drop down list. Okay, to what are the it's a product we are going to it's a choose. Here I am going to use a plus and minus sign to increase the quantity. So it's an add card. Okay, this is a today's offer. I am going to dynamically change when I am going to initialize the screen. Okay, so here I am going to have today's offer is 1,000. When you are going to buy 1,000, we are going to offer a coupon 50. This can be changed accordingly. So from it's a database. Okay, no problem. So this is a product chosen is an order item. It's a sharing and send SMS and reset. Okay. So I am going to explain the block diagram. When I am going to initialize the screen, so something has to be initialized along with the screen. So I can use the screen components or blocks to have the label for text as a global offer. This can be changed according to your needs. Okay. So I'm going to plan. What is other things you need is a regular. It's a many blocks. You are not able to understand. So you too many clumsy means you can collapse all blocks. So one by one, I am going to say. You want to arrange it accordingly means you can arrange it as a category wise or horizontally. Suppose I can change that. So what is the thing? Arrange blocks vertically. Okay, it's horizontal or vertically. So this is a global offer. So I am going to have the order ID. I am going to expand it. So what is order ID means? I am going to say 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be increased one by one. But I am going to set it's an order card. Okay. So understand. So order item. So I am going to have the global order item. Okay. I am going to expand it. So this order item is a empty it's a text. Okay. So these three components already explained. So the remaining things is easier one. I am going to explain what is the thing. Okay. So button one click. I am going to have the text one box. This is a text one box. I am going to increase by one numbers. Where we can place the components means in the Mac. Okay. So just to understand. So these are the components we can easily drag and drop. So I am going to use it as a thing. So I am going to use a text box value and also add it's a plus one. So I am going to use the copy it, duplicate it. I am going to use it, and from max I can use the what is the thing another numbers. Okay, one. So this likewise we can place it. So this text box value increases whenever you are going to press the plus buttons. Okay. Likewise, I had what is the thing? Delete it. So I am going to use text box 2. Okay. So here I am going to use the reverse. So minus 1. So it's easy to understand. Whenever I am going to plus it's a 1, I am going to increase the text box by 1, and I am going to decrease by 1 means is going to I am going to collapse the flag so that it's not necessary. I already explained the screen initialization, global variable how you are going to use. The global variables may be a string or it's a number according to your needs. Okay. So whenever I am going to select, okay. So button 3, add card. Okay. So here I am going to say that. So whenever I am going to say, click the button 3, add card, I am going to increase an order ID. Earlier I set it 0. I am going to add another 1. So it's a first order. Okay. So what are things we are going to use it? I am going to use the label 3 as my it's a what is the thing? Total card. So I am going to join. So here it's a mutable component. So what is the thing? I can say initiate or it can include. Suppose you find some of the things, these components, or it's a one by one, it's not able to view means I can say that inline input. So it's going to be like this. Okay. So one after others. So normally it's a external inputs. Okay. So this is going to be joint. You can use any number of joints. There is no restrictions. So I am going to use the label 3 order item. Already I am stored in it's statically. I am going to give the global order ID. So first ID I am going to get. I get the spinner selections. Selections is nothing but whenever I am going to select something means it's going to be in the selection part. These text is going to say rice or oil or coffee, egg, whatever. I am going to include minus. So and also using the text box one text is how many quantity I order. For the next I am going to use what is the thing some spaces so that easily it's available. Okay. So set label 3 text is going to be get global order item. So all the things I am adding and I am going to use it's a label 3 as my it's a card. I am going to it's a add this it's a get global item. So this is the first thing. So easily understand. I am selecting some goods and it's increasing order quantity or decreasing as my wish, and I am going to add cart only. Suppose I want to it's a remove means I use a one more button called reset. Everything going to be reset to the original conditions. Okay. So I used two different components for you. I am going to say that. So what are the components I use? A non-visible component. One is sharing. Okay. Another is going to be it's a texting. Both are the social medias. You can say sharing. So what is the thing? Just a click it. So it can handle information provided in either in the storage box or everything. I can share it. So here I am going to share it's my message to it's a to WhatsApp, whatever application you have got it, WhatsApp, share it or Gmail, everything you can use it. Only thing you give some inputs. Suppose I want to have testing. Texting is nothing but SMS text. Already we have some of the students wants to know about texting. So these two components I am using. Okay. So in the blocks, what I have done. So I expand the block. So first of all, I texting. I need the phone numbers. I am going to give the input from the text box too. Suppose I need a lot of it. Easily I can give the numbers. What is the numbers if you want to text it? Okay. So texting message is label 3. Already we have collected all the informations. Will show. I will show. So next one is going to be what is the thing called texting send message. So it's not a direct message. It will send to your message SMS and we will send. Press the button to send it. So it's a button 5. What I am going to use it for its last thing is going to be reset button. Okay. Label 3 text to order item only. Global order ID is going to reset to 0. Whenever I am going to reset 0, there is no code. So I am going to reduce to 0. Okay. So I am going to close or are you able to follow? I will share that these AI file. You should add something. I didn't do it. So you can see that these are clumsy. This is not horizontal, it's a alignment. We are not making it properly. So you can change it, order item, sharing. So I'm using a vertical alignment as also horizontal, it's a alignment for two, it's a things. You can add some pictures, okay, nice pictures in the background, okay. So, okay. So the blocks, okay, I'm going to collapse the blocks, okay. So in the button 5, okay, so I'm going to arrange it vertically or horizontally so that I can easily move it on. Okay, so vertically. So I'm going to use the expand this block. Okay, order item is equal to it's a reset block. One more, it's a button. It's a 6th button. I am going to use what is the thing? Only thing you call it's a what are the methods only. You can see easily. There are a lot of methods. I am going to use a sharing methods. Okay, call sharing with share file message only. This is going to be share. Okay, your text. Okay, suppose I want to share my files means I can share it. Okay, you can see that call sharing files. Okay, file name. What is a message or file message? Suppose you had a photo, you want to share it with your friends, you can call it and it's use this image picker to select the files and you can send it. A path only you have to give. Okay, this is the thing, we already done it. Okay, so I am going to generate or it's a APK file. So one thing, it's a dynamic. I am going to use a companion to know what are things. Already I have done it. So I am going to use it as a QR code. Okay. So this is going to generate the QR code.
Sir, your screen is somewhat blurred, sir. It's not clear. Clearly, I think I don't know about our other participants. Somewhat blurred.
So all I can generate the APK file. So now I am going to use
Sir,
a companion. So for understanding, I have done it.
excuse me,
So this
sir.
QR code, I can download it. I can share it with you. So it's going to be it's okay, right? Okay. So it's already there. So I'm going to companion. I'm going for companion. Okay. So already I installed the companion. I'm going to scan it. Okay. 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 I will share. Okay. Once it's installed, I will go for the video mode. So it takes some time. Okay, in the next session, it's in the following sessions, we are going to have some location sensors, some of the IoT basics, so that you can store information and collect information from see informations from anywhere. Okay, so I have to connect once again. Reset connection. Suppose there is a mistake, it's going to be reset connections. So it's transferring the content. You see that. So all the assets in the your MIT servers, you can use it anywhere. So I am going to stop sharing my the screenshot. I am going to show my phone. Okay. So all right. Okay. So just to see that. Okay. Are you able to see? Right. So I am having my phones in my hand, okay, that have all the components. So I am going to say I am going to send to somebody else, okay. So I am going to use this to send some items, select some items, okay, and then I am going to share the uh, thing, okay. Okay, so I will share. You can easily use this for simple app. Okay, so it's visible. I don't know how visible is it. Okay, sorry, it's off it. So glitches. Okay, you can see what are things is order ID, everything is happening. So I'm going to place some orders, okay, and I will show that it's a what is things happening, okay, because I am going to add something, add cart. So this I added a cart, that's a rice, okay, rice is 2, okay. Suppose I am going to minus it, means minus 1. The its offer is also showing, okay. So I'm going to add it's a oil. I'm going to use it for 3. I'm going to share it. Okay. So what are the share options? We have got it. And the share options you can easily see. So what are the options? I can use it WhatsApp, or it's you can share me message everything. Okay. So you can include whatever it's media you want to share it. You can share it. Okay. Then I am going for it's a SMS. Okay. Okay. I am going to type the numbers. So it's not visible for you. Anyhow, I will show. Okay. Right. Right. I have typed the numbers. Okay. I am going to send the SMS. Okay. So here you can see that. Sorry. Is it visible? I didn't know. Right. Okay. So orders are already placed. I get to use the SMS to send my orders to particular shop owner, or you are the shop owner. You can give your phone numbers along with their right. Right. Okay. So thank you. Okay. So this is a simple app. You can develop it's a multiple. Suppose I am going to have a fruit stall. I am going to have the order mechanism. I can it's include all my photos in its rows and columns along with the prices delivered from its or it's a get from its your cloud data. That will be easy for us. Once they make it order, that can be easily when received. I can get the message immediately in my SMS or WhatsApp, any components. So it's easy for you to develop an app. Okay, I'm going to screen the share screens to include another. Okay, right. Right, sorry, it takes some time. So, what is the main thing I am going to say that? So, what are the things we have to understand? What is we want to know? Okay, it's a do. So, I use some, it's a labels, spinners, plus signs, it's nothing but add, minus signs. Only I am making the max component to make an add chord. I am going to add. Okay, suppose I am going to plus the add coordinate automatically. Order item also we are showing that here. Whatever order is placed. Okay, product chosen. So sharing, send SMS, reset. So other component you can send. This is a simple app. You can it's extended to it's according to images or you can it's do additional things. Okay, uh, using this app. Okay, so this is a simple app. I hope all of them it's know the basic concepts. So only the thing basic concept has to be understood. You can you can develop your app without any assets. Okay, easily. Okay, so once it's a, known, I can it's a, use my it's a technical skills to develop an app. Okay, sharing. So Twitter also I can include. I can use a phone number picker to it's a pick my phone numbers. Here I can use a phone numbers. No need to what is the thing? Remember my numbers. I can use the phone pickers. Okay, this is going to give the what are the phones available in your contact list. Okay, or automatically. So email also I can as a contact pickers, phone number pickers. It's easily you can use it for send the information easily to any of the shop owners. Okay, so only a thing shop owners can use it for it's getting the orders, or you can place the orders. I can use another spinners, whether it's a take home delivery or it's a what I can say that it's a home delivery, take home, or I can say orders at the shop. I am going to get it at a particular time. So user interface I am going to add. Okay, no need to have the uh, right. Okay, then we have got another 10 minutes. The next session will be continued by its Muthurakshmi madam. Okay, so afterwards he completed all the what is the thing? It's remaining things like pedometers. Afterwards I come another 40 minutes to complete the IoT application. Okay, mainly the IoT applications. Okay, another 10 minutes available. Okay, so I am going to has one more thing. What is the time I am going to use it? You can use a time picker. Okay, so is time pickers, I can say that I need the groceries at a particular time, at particular it's a date, everything I can use it. Okay, so it's a time picker. After set I can take that a label to it's a show the times, everything say set times, everything is available. Okay, so next one, I will show some. It's a multiple screen app. So normally we have developed this app for its competitions. Okay, this is developed by me along with my colleague. Okay, so you can have this. It's an app. Okay, Yatra assistance. So most of them are traveling through train. Okay, so before closing, I will be able to show that screens. Afterwards, I will continue. Yatra assistance. So what is this purpose means? I am going by a train. I need some help. As I had to make a call. I had to know that what are the things available in the next stations. Okay. So this is the app we have for emergency service. So this is having it's almost two screens. Security issues, medical and catering, PNR status, clean my coach. Okay. So next screen, you can add more screens. Next screen, I am going to have. Okay, so what are things we are having at each and every positions? Okay, I will show you one more app. So this app. Okay, so whenever I am going to click a button, I can call the it's a train god. It's a normally the train nowadays sending the god numbers. You can use it to send the numbers. Suppose clean my coach, I can send the information clean my coach to my gods. Okay, so this is an app we have developed for its women safety. So E Nirbhaya. Okay. So I'll share this AI file. Okay. So it takes some time. I hope that meeting will be extended. Okay, to another 7 minutes. Okay. So next session will be followed by the Muthurakshi Madam. We will send its link right now. I think so. So okay. Uh, so it takes some time. Muthurakshi Madam, have you created the ID and share with the students?
Sir, sir, am I audible? Sir, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir, can you hear me? Sir,
The network is intermittent, so I disconnected. I am now only connected. So yeah, yesterday we shared some AI files. Those who are interested can use a template to develop an app easily. Okay, this is the next step we are going to say about it. Yatra Assistant, I will share. It's the next one. So this app we are using it. Okay, for its having light intensities to directly send it to its cloud database. You can use it for its anywhere. I can show that what is the ambience, it's the temperatures or some other parameters. I can use it. Okay, so sorry. So bear with me. Okay, so I didn't. Okay, so So if the call informations or Zoom meeting ID is not available, I will send it once again to its email. Wait for another 10 minutes. Okay. The next two sessions, the sessions has been disconnected. Okay. Regarding its the first sessions, you learn about the basic fundamentals once again. Refresh with what are the various components. Okay. In the second sessions, we develop an app for its for small grocery store or its ordering mechanism. In the third sessions, madam, if the sessions continues, I will continue. If there's a break due to its limitations, uh, the madam will continue with its other two apps. The last sessions I will handle with okay, it's a IoT app. How we can develop an app to store the information in the cloud database and use it anywhere. Okay, and also we need some charts or visualizations easily created using its cloud services like it's a ThinkTab, ThinkSpeaks, Ubidots. There are a lot of things available. So only I given a glimpse. Okay, uh, so the meeting is going to continue means I can go for the next one. Okay. So I don't think so. Okay. So it takes some time. Okay. Okay. Right. This is a human shaped apps. We have got so many things. Change shades. We are what we can say initiated by our late great man is Abdul Kalam. So I can use the first its sessions. So I can use it for its mobile number and make it a call. This is a simple call applications. The blocks. Okay, you are having it's a text box. I am going to check whether that it's a text box is empty. So I can make a phone call directly. Okay, to the already it's a stored phone numbers. I will show the design part. Okay, so here we can say that phone call. What is the number I am going to use my own numbers? Suppose you want to send it to somebody else means you can it's a block wise. Text box empty means I am going to make a call phone make a phone call to my numbers, or you can use some other numbers in the text box. It's not empty means it's going to make the call to somebody else. So this is a screen 3. I'm going to use this as what is the thing? Here we are going to use the navigation. So you can already the madam said. So next screen I am going to open the screen 3. Previous screen I am going to open the uh, uh, before screen. Next I didn't make any designs or it's students has to done it because it's assignment. Okay. So here I am going to send the call texting message. Message is going to be help. Already we are having the message set. Okay, so I will show the design part. Okay, the texting. Okay, already I shared the message. I can use the Google voice enabled to send it's a voice call or voice message, and it's a message automatically sent.